Hi everybody, working on another project. This one has been in the making for a while because we have just been accumulating way too many tools for a while. And we seem to be occupying way more storage than we should. I mean, we have in 4 different location tools. We have right here tools. No tools there. This is the surprise. Some tools here, and we've got, well, I should say 4 major locations. We got a bunch of tools there, and we have tools on the other side. So this is what we decided on doing. We haven't attached it yet, but let me show you. We emptied out this bin because this is the biggest one. And what this is a more ride refrigerator tray. It's heavy duty. It could hold up to 250 pounds, but we're not going to have 250 pounds on here. Now this thing is quite heavy. It's weighs about 60 pounds. We got it on eBay. It's sold for $274, I believe. Yeah, that was the least expensive place. So eBay. And it came like this. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put a tool chest that we need to pull it out with a tray, because the tool chest has a lid that flips up, and there's more storage for bigger items in that lid, i.e. Drills and stuff like that. And it also has an electrical strip where you can plug in batteries that you need to recharge for those drills. So we're getting ready to bolt this down. We marked the holes. I had to lift it up to get it past this. So there's actually a 1x4 piece of wood down there at the bottom. And the tray clears it when you raise it. If you don't raise it, it won't clear it. Now, the tool chest is a little bit higher than this, right here, the shock. So we're going to remove the shock and we're going to put a chain so the door doesn't fly open too wide. And that's the solution for that. And we'll tuck away that shock absorber until, whenever we want to put it back, we'll put it back. So that's the project for today, and shouldn't take us no more than an hour to install. And I will show you as soon as we're done. Okay, signing off, and you won't notice that I signed off until I sign back on, because I'm getting really good at putting these videos, splicing them together. Okay, everybody, talk to you soon. Bye. This is my wonderful husband, my better half, and like I said, we wanted to consolidate all the tools that we have that were just all over the place. So this is the solution that we came up with. I spoke to you earlier about that more ride slide out. It's supposed to be for a cooler. It can hold up to 250 pounds, but we modified it. Not really modified it. We removed one of the locks. You see the lock there? So we removed that one so we can open the bottom drawer. We had to lift it a little bit, about I want to say 1.5 inches. So we put 2 pieces of wood on the bottom to lift it so we can roll out that bottom drawer. Okay, so this is how it works. So my wonderful husband is going to demonstrate. We have to push it down a little bit just to clear, because it's really a good fit. So there's that toolbox, slides all the way out, full extension, see that? And it can hold that toolbox. It's empty right now, but look at that, look at that. Look at all those drawers that we can put tools. Hallelujah, huh? So we did have to lift it in the back. So that's about 1 inch boards that we put in the back, and we put 2-inch bolts. with lock nut washers
2.5 inch.
and washers. 2.5 inch? Okay, I'm sorry. Correction. 2.5 inch bolts. 5/16. So there's 4 on this side, and there's 4 on this side. And let me get on the bottom so you can see how that looks. See that? Nice. Okay, so that's our latest project. We're very pleased, and it does come with an electrical strip. Oh, honey, I'm going to have you pull it out one more time. Okay. You see the connection right there? We're going to connect it with an extension cord. So we have a strip right here that we can connect drill batteries so they can charge. And guess what? We even have 2 USB ports. How about that? So let me take a picture of what it is. So maybe this will be a good fit for you. And the dimensions are right there. See that? Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you. And I'll fill you in with some more projects that we have coming up. And there you go, locks in place. All is good with the world, guys. All is good with the world. Bye. Happy camping. Thank you.